Hi everyone. So today is we're going to talk about what is protectionism. So when we talk about that, it is an economic policy where a government tries to protect domestic industries from foreign competition. It usually does this by making imported goods more expensive or harder to enter the country. So what are the common protectionist policies? The first one is tariffs, which is taxes on important goods. Example is a country adds a 20% tax to imported steel. The second one is rather quotas. It limits on how much of a product can be imported. Example is only 1 million foreign cars allowed per year. The third one is subsidies. It is the government support for local businesses, which the example is farmers receive financial aid to compete with cheaper imports. The fourth one is import bans or strict regulation. It's all about restricting certain foreign products. So, why countries use protectionism? So government may use it number one to protect local jobs and industries, also to help new industries grow like the infant industries. Let's say that industry is just uh, doing its business recently, so therefore it should be protected by the government. And of course, to reduce dependence on foreign countries and improve national security. Then it also reduced the what we call trade deficits, wherein um, import is higher than the exports. So what are the advantages? So number one, it saves domestic jobs in some industries. It helps local companies compete, of course. And then it can support strategic industries. And it can encourage local production so that local businesses will boom. So what are disadvantages? The first one is higher prices for consumers, especially if you are going to buy those products that has higher tariffs. Then of course, there is less variety of goods since possibility that in the domestic goods has several options compared if we're going to import more foreign products. Then it can reduce innovation and efficiency as well. And other countries may retaliate with their own tariffs, or there will be what we call trade wars. So, simple example, suppose foreign shoes cost $40 while local shoes cost $60. So, if the government adds $25 tariff on imported shoes, then imported shoes now cost $65. So, there will be $5 difference. So consumers may buy local shoes instead, and local shoe companies benefit. So protectionism versus free trade, okay? When we say the word protectionism, it restricts import to protect local businesses, while free trade allows goods to move across borders with few restrictions. And economists often debate which approach creates better long-term growth, and many countries use a mix of both.